Meaning of fringe.
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 Fringe. The word fringe can have multiple meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. As a noun, it can refer to the decorative border or edge of a fabric or garment. It can also refer to the outer edges or boundaries of a group or society, often associated with unconventional or marginal elements. As a verb, it can mean to exist on the periphery or margin of something. Overall, the word fringe connotes an association with the edges or margins of a thing or concept, often with connotations of being slightly unconventional or unconventional.